Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn basics of algorithms. So what is algorithm? It's a set of instructions to perform a task to solve a given problem. Set of instruction is nothing but the steps to be followed to solve a particular problem. Let's say for example a recipe book. It's a collection of recipes in which each recipe provides a step-by-step instruction to prepare the food, right? Let's assume you want to prepare a tea. The first step is inside the recipe would be boil water, put tea in a teapot. Third will be add hot water. Next, put hot tea into teacups. Fifth, do you need sugar? If yes, put into teacups. If no, move to the next step. Finally, the last step would be stir, drink and enjoy. So here it is very similar to algorithm, that is set of instruction to follow to solve a given problem. Now let's take another example to print the average of three numbers. As the problem statement says, we have three numbers and we need to print the average of them. So let's write an algorithm for this. The steps would be perform sum of three numbers, store it in a variable sum, divide the sum by 3, store the value in a variable average, print the value stored in average. Yeah, these are the 5 steps. So this would be the sequence of the steps which we should perform to find the average of three numbers. Hence, these set of instructions are referred to the algorithm. So here, if we transform these 5 steps into the code, we have a method called find average, which is given three numbers A, B, C as input. So we store the addition of the three numbers into a variable called sum. We divide the sum by 3 and store it in the variable average. Finally, printing out the variable average. So this sequence of steps is nothing but algorithm. Hence, if we are given any particular problem, the best way to solve it is by deriving out the sequence of steps and then implementing them in any language and write a logic around it. The given problem will be solved. Yes guys, this was a basic introduction of algorithm. In upcoming video, we will discuss the data structure and algorithm in detail. I hope video was helpful. Thank you.